Hello everyone, welcome back to Taurus Wealth. Today is $5 Friday, and today we will be stuffing our investment binder. And it looks like our investment binder is doing pretty good with the nice 20 right there. So today we're going to be stuffing it with $5. So we're going to start with our trading account. Elijah's College. Emergency Fund. New Home. Furniture. Appliances is a new one that I've added, so it doesn't have 20. So we're going to add 5, and also new car. So appliances, we will be adding 5. New car. Life insurance. And so with this binder, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times our 5. We stuff $40 for our $5 Fridays. And it looks like we have a couple dollars left, so I think I am going to I'm going to stuff our 100 envelope savings challenge. See how much we got in here. We currently have 20, 40, 51. We currently have $51. Let's see if that adds up. 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 11. 51, exactly. All right. So we didn't forget to bubble in anything. All right, so let's see. I think I'm going to pull... I think I'm going to pull 2 cards. And see what else we can fill in. Let me get my markers. Okay. I have my red marker ready. Okay, let's see what we have. We're going to pull 2 cards with our new money deck. So cute. So cute. I seen it. I said I have to have it. I have to have it. And they more flexible than the others. Gotta break them in so I can. All right. Let's see. We're gonna pull 2 cards. One here, and we're gonna pull this one here. All right. Let's see what we have. We have an ace. What in the world is going on? And we have a 10. Oh my. So with an ace, that's 50. With a 10, that is $60 that I need to put in here. Let's see here. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So let's see here. We have 50. We have 50 and we already have a 10. So we're going to add them up together and go for our 60. We're just going to bubble in our 60 today. Ooh. Look at that. Getting the money today. I should have pulled out my $100 bill binder. Get that one going. All right. So we took the card out of the $60 spot to let us know that we have filled that spot. So now we currently said we had, what was that, 51, 20, 40, 51. And then we had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 for a total of 111. Currently have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 11. 111. Ooh, nice. And that completes our 100 envelope savings challenge for today. And thank you all for watching, and see you later.